In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on a multi-channel listing service, connect your stores and marketplaces, import your products, and publish them across multiple sales channels with inventory sync enabled. To get started, open the multi-channel listing service shown in the video and create your account. As you go through the sign-up process, make sure you enter your business details carefully and review any setup prompts the platform gives you. This account will act as the central hub for managing your product listings, so it's important to begin with the correct information. Once your account is ready, the next step is to connect your Shopify store. Follow the platform's connection process and authorize access when prompted. This allows the service to pull in product data and communicate with your store properly. After Shopify is connected, you can move on to linking any additional sales channels you use, such as eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce, or Storenvy. The goal here is to bring your selling platforms into one place so you can manage them more efficiently. After all relevant accounts are connected, choose the store that contains your original product listings. This is the source store the platform will use to import your catalog. Be sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage more than one storefront, because this will affect the products and details brought into the system. Now, import the products from that store. Depending on the size of your catalog, this may take a little time, so let the process finish completely before moving on. Once the products appear, review them carefully. Check titles, descriptions, images, prices, and inventory quantities to make sure everything looks accurate and complete. This step matters because any errors or missing information can carry over to the marketplaces where you plan to publish. When everything looks good, select the products you want to publish. Then choose the destination marketplaces where those items should be listed. After that, match each product to the correct marketplace category. This is an important part of the process because category accuracy can affect visibility, compliance, and how easily buyers can find your products. Next, configure your pricing, shipping, and inventory rules. Take your time here so your listings reflect the right selling strategy for each channel. Once those settings are in place, publish the selected products. After publishing, check each marketplace for any listing errors or warnings. If something needs attention, resolve it before assuming the listings are fully live. Finally, enable inventory synchronization. This helps keep stock levels updated across all connected channels and reduces the risk of overselling, especially when the same product is listed in multiple places. That's it. You've now set up multi-channel publishing in a more organized and scalable way.